Now question number 23, malleable and ductile best describes. That is answer metal, because metals are having the special characteristic of malleability and ductility. What is malleability known as? Malleability means a metal can be converted into sheets, and ductility means it can be drawn into thin wires. Metals can show these two properties. That's why metal is used to make wires as well as to make sheets of metal. Answer is B beta. 24th question. Question number 24 is the property which enables copper metal to be used for making electric wires is. Beta, copper is a metal and metal can be used for electric wires. When the term is wire, it means we want to draw wire, ductility is required. So copper is highly ductile. This is one of the property required. Another is an electric wire. Electric wire means current must be passed through. Thus we must say copper can be used for making electric wires. Options: copper metal is malleable and ductile. The answer cannot be the best option because malleability is not making for wires. B, copper metal is good conductor of electricity. It's right. But wires, the term is not clear from this option. C is copper metal is ductile and has low electrical resistance. Low electrical resistance means good conductance. Thus our option is C, because copper is ductile, we can make wires, and copper can conduct electricity. That means it's having low resistance. So we can say option C is the best suitable option here. D is copper is sonorous, sound producing. For conducting current, sound producing quality of metal is not required, and an excellent conductor of electricity. The sonorous sound producing capacity of a metal is used for making bells, not electric wires. The answer is C. 25th question. 24th, our option is C. Now we have 25th question. 25th question is, on the basis of composition of matter, milk is considered to be. The milk is a mixture of proteins, water, oil, some emulsifiers. It means it's not a pure substance, it is impure substance. It is a mixture of so many things. Thus where option mark is beta. B is the correct option. Milk is not a pure substance. Milk is an impure substance. It's not an element. It's not a compound. It's not a compound, not an element, not pure substance. It is a mixture of so many things like proteins, oils, fats, water, emulsifiers, etc. 26th question number. Which of the following is most likely to exhibit Tyndall effect? Now in this question, first of all, we must know what is Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is, when we say Tyndall effect, it is scattering of light by colloidal particles. Scattering of light. Scattering of light by colloidal particles. Due to this scattering, path of light becomes visible through that soul. I have earlier explained colloidal solution can be named as soul also. This process is called Tyndall effect. If we have a colloidal solution and light is passed through it, we have some light source and light is passed through it by focusing a lens, and this light is now being scattered by the particle. Colloidal particle is scattering this light. This is a lens used. This is a bulb or light source. we are having a light source, lens is used, light is focused, colloidal solution is there, and now light is being scattered. If our microscope or the eye is at perpendicular direction, so we can see the scattered light. When we see the light, scattered light, it means path of light is now visible. This process of scattering of light by colloidal particle is called Tyndall effect. This is studied by Tyndall, that's why it is named as Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is shown by colloidal solutions. First option दिया गया था sugar and water. Sugar and water is a true mixture, it's a true solution. Beta is milk and water mixture. Milk and water is an emulsion, and emulsions are type of colloidal solutions. Milk and water is a colloidal solution. This is a colloidal solution called emulsion. So this is the correct option. C is sand and water mixture. Sand and water mixture is a suspension. Suspensions cannot show your Tyndall effect. And D is potassium permanganate and water mixture. Potassium permanganate is KMnO4 and water. It's again a true solution, cannot be the answer. Answer is milk and water, because milk plus water is a colloidal solution called emulsion. 27th question, milk of magnesia. 27th question is about milk of magnesia. 27th option is A. When we say milk of magnesia, the milk of magnesia is magnesium hydroxide solution. Milk of magnesia, milk of magnesia is MgOH whole twice, magnesium hydroxide. This solution, aqueous, water dissolved, aqueous solution is called milk of magnesia. This solution is a colloidal solution. It is a colloidal sol, which can be later on changing into suspension because of settling of precipitates. But earlier in the initial stages, milk of magnesia is a colloidal solution. Now it's a colloidal solution, option A. A true solution, wrong. A homogeneous mixture, colloidals are always heterogeneous. And a suspension, suspension is only when precipitation is finally occurs. The answer is a colloid, because milk of magnesia is a colloidal solution having colloidal properties shown like Tyndall effect, etc. 27th question, option A. Now 28th question. Which of the following is a suspension? Now when we say which of the following is a suspension, 28th question. In this question we are having milk. Milk अभी मैंने बताया it is emulsion.